Bolognese sauce is so famous that you can easily find it ready-made in your favorite store. Today, Mom wants to teach you a cheap and quick homemade sauce that can compete with the store-bought Bolognese sauce just using a few fresh ingredients. Let's check the receipt. 1 carrot, 1 onion, 1 celery stalk, 350 grams of minced meat, 1 can of peeled tomatoes.
Let's start! I clean and cut my vegetable for make soffritto.
The first thing you have to do is chop the carrot, celery, and onion, which are the 3 fundamental ingredients for Italian soffritto, the typical base for all tomato sauces. This is a pretty straightforward step. Peel them and then chop them. As long as you do not use a blender to chop the vegetables, any knife will do. In Italy, we use the mezzaluna.
Ta-da!
We are now ready to cook. How long do you think it's going to take? Let's time it! Turn the heat to high. When the pan is nice and hot, put the minced meat. You see, there is no oil. That's not a mistake. This is the way Mom can brown the meat quickly, preserving all the flavor. Keep stirring to prevent the meat from sticking. When you cannot see pieces of raw meat around, you can add the vegetables. At first, the vegetables will change their color, losing their vibrancy. Then they will become almost clear, and finally they will start sticking on the pan.
Siccome ci vogliamo sbrigare presto, cuciniamo a fiamma alta. Si sta attaccando, normale. Mettiamo il sale così verrà fuori un po' di acqua dalle verdure. Si è attaccato alla padella, ma mi piace perché mi darà un saporino giusto. Non lo fate bruciare però.
Let's add the tomatoes and cook them until they are well mixed with the meat and a nice smell has spread around the whole house.
Non sprechiamo nulla. Ripulisco con un po' d'acqua. Per la bolognese vera ci vogliono 3 ore. Per questo piatto qui 15 minuti.
Well said, Mom. This is not a real bolognese. The Italian food purists can now forgive us.
Però qual è il trucchetto? Teniamo la fiamma alta e giriamo costantemente il pomodoro. Altrimenti si attaccherà tutto, bruciamo e buttiamo tutto.
But if the sauce seems really dry and on the point of burning, do add a little water.
Buono, ci vuole un po' più di sale. La vera bolognese si termina con un po' di latte e lo facciamo anche noi con questa. Costerà un po' di più, vabbè, ma chi è che non c'ha un po' di latte? Lo fate andare sempre a fuoco alto finché non si ingloba nel nostro sugo. Spengo. Da quando ho iniziato a cucinare 18 minuti. Assaggiamola. Ragazzi, semplicissima, ma vi dico, è buona nella sua semplicità. Quasi quasi mi converto alla bolognese rapida. È buona.
Our ingredients can fill the equivalent to 2 jars of store-bought sauce, which are good for up to 6 servings. If it's more than you need for your dinner, put the extra sauce in a clean jar while it's still hot and firmly close the lid. Turn the jar upside down and let it cool down. This will make the sauce last longer in the fridge.
Ehi, guardate qui. Dov'è la carne? Nel mio c'è.
Reserve some of the sauce to finish the dish. And now, let's cook the pasta the Italian way. Hot boiling water, salt, toss the spaghetti into the pot and cook. Just a minute before they are al dente, drain them and put them in the sauce at high heat. Add a little water if your sauce is a bit too thick. Mix well and plate it. This dish is cheap, and even if it takes a bit longer than using a store-bought bolognese sauce, you can enjoy its fresh ingredients and tell your drooling friends that it's your own sauce. Whoa, it looks so inviting with that sauce topping.
Piatto finito.
Subscribe and smash the bell button to receive all our updates. See you in the next episodes of Tony's Home, where every day is a sunny day.